If someone has ever nagged you about cracking your knuckles causing arthritis, show them this. That popping sound comes from gas bubbles forming or bursting inside the fluid that lubricates your joint, a process called cavitation. An American doctor named Donald Unger cracked the knuckles on only one hand for over 60 years straight and left the other one alone, just to prove a point, and never developed arthritis in either hand. Larger studies since then confirmed there is no real link between the habit and the disease. Tag whoever keeps nagging you about it.